there. Turning into a motorcycle gang. There's Jack. Yeah, there's Jack. There's Tony. Say hi, Tony. What's up? We're turning into a motorcycle gang. Behind you. Did you see those monkeys on the side of the road?
Yeah.
I've never seen them with red face.
I've never seen that either.
At first I looked at it and I went, what are those, baboons? They're not baboons, but they had red faces. Sawadee Cup. Well, Jack, you can't go. No domestic animals allowed. No?
20? Oh,
Sweet
better
one.
yet.
That's good.
Okay.
Cup, thank you. Elephants today?
Elephant.
Yeah.
Somewhere, maybe.
One.
One?
Today?
Just one elephant?
Elephant.
Yeah.
มีหนึ่งตัว
Oh, money.
What's that?
I have no idea. Oh.
ตัวเพียบ100
What are we doing?
elephant.
One,
What are we doing, guys?
Oh, we're just listening.
yeah,
Is it the 330 baht each?
320.
320.
Don't worry.
Only because it's a sale day for you.
Oh, I feel fortunate.
Dude, that's right.
I've been here a month. I'm already ready to go somewhere else, you know. Look at you guys, man. Look at your raincoat. You know, I'm going to be soaking wet by the time I get out of here.
Just wet.
All right, you're next.
Hey,
Last time I was here, I never thought I'd be coming back. And certainly not in the rain. Yeah, this is like the rainforest. Here comes the troops. Nice for Mother Nature to put a handrail right there. That works good. Well, with all the rain, the waterfall ought to look nice. Well, that's why I stopped. I don't know, this either goes down to the water, that sandbar and stuff, or we keep going up the trail.
Oh, up the trail.
It looks like the trail, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
You been up it before?
You been here before?
No, but
No.
I'm sure it's jungle.
He's from the country.
Well, it looked easier than walking on the rocks down by the creek. Oh, that bamboo, man. That's a lot of bamboo fell down right there. I'm thinking so too. I was hoping we found a flat spot somewhere up here. I'm with you, buddy.
Even if I can stop in the sand, that's okay. Look, this bamboo.
I know. It's amazing. A bunch of it must have been like a mudslide or something. All that bamboo fell over. And some of it's still growing.
Oh, yeah. Just get stopped
It's hard to kill the jungle.
Easier for the jungle.
It's time for a water break. I mean, it's raining, but I'm pretty limited. I saw that big old jug of water in the 7-Eleven and I thought, nah, I won't need that.
Even though you're wet.
Yeah. Top of the line for 129 miles.
All right, we moving again?
Yeah.
All right, we're moving.
Guess I fall, pick me up on the way back.
No problem.
You know, this second time I've done that, I can honestly say I'm glad it's raining and I'm getting a completely different experience.
One of the things you did last time, right?
Ooh, had about took my head off. If you're not looking.
How did you get over there this way?
This is where the leaf stuff comes in handy. I didn't know we were going to go across the... I thought they only hanged out in the water.
Hang on.
Oh, great. All right. This looks... Let's hear it for the Aussies.
Okay, the Aussies. Wait. You going back? Well, I need to go find a ring that I've lost. Oh shit. I saw it this week just to use
And I'm thinking we ought to take a real easy way across this river and then cut back.
Not back to what?
Well,
There's no way, there's no easy way to get across now.
no trail, right?
Right. I don't know that control, but that's the distance down there. I know, that's what we're talking about. I've had enough fun. Well, you kids have fun, and we're gonna probably head back. We've had enough. You guys are young. How old are you? You're 36?
Yes.
You look like 12.
Wow.
Hell, I'm 60. Yeah. Hey, easy.
I'm going down, man. I'm going down. All right.
36. Wow.
I'm with you, buddy. I don't want to go back with an injury.
Well, the thing is you just want to have people with you if you're moving. Because if there's only two of you, now you might be in trouble. Maybe, yeah.
Well, I was worried when it was just one of me.
Well, yeah.
That's why I turned around and went back. I was like, no, you jack yourself up on this and you're out here all by yourself.
We made 6.
5. How many more waterfalls?
10.
It's 10 more. It's 15 total.
Oh, 9 more. Sorry. 9 more.
I'm getting old, man.
No, we ain't getting old. We're just getting smart.
Yeah, that's good.
There's just 10 more to go. 9 more. That's enough. If you do this right, you bring some different shoes with really grippy faster.
You can't go any further?
It's the last point, so you have to take a stop and with you beyond here. You have to get someone there. So then you have at least one section.
Oh, there's a sign.
Yeah, there's actually a sign last point.
So we made it. Hey, we're not as old as we thought, man.
Oh, not a single one.
Do not enter last point.
There's another sign just around here, but I think that's just another level of no fishing, that sort of
All right. Stay upright. Stay upright. Level 5. You gotta be kidding me. I want to know what ate that corner of that sign. Something hungry. Nah.
Not gonna cave?
Nah. I mean, if I was stranded somewhere, I'd crawl up under them rocks and get out of the rain, but... Well, guys, we're turning back. No, you just went right in the water, huh? That was it.
We're already there.
Yeah, it's time to turn back. Well, I got a whole bag of fish food. I should pitch it.
California prune.
California prune.
No,
It's like piranhas. That's actually kind of funny.
Yes.
Yeah, you can catch them. I mean, some of these.
It's just
Wow. Want me to grab one?
Bring some right here. Right here.
Oh, I dropped the bag.
They're coming for you. Right here. You can just pick these up.
Yeah, I wonder if them guys will learn how to jump over that rock. They'll know, huh? Oh, they'll figure it out. Look at the size, dude. Look at that one, man. That's a big one. That thing's like that.
First when you thought it was safe to go back in the water.
Watch out. All right, all Aussies lead the way.
Oh, Aussies stick the way.
Well, guys, that's as far as we could go for PALA-U Waterfall. We got to level 5. It says, was it level 6? 5. We got to level 5, and it said, do not enter, don't go any further. I think you got to be like a professional or something. That's not me, but that's been fun. We're heading back. Who said he can't make the most of it in the rainy season in Thailand? When it's raining, just go out and have fun when it's raining. That was fun. Excellent.
Absolutely. I guess they're asking if it's coming here during the dry season. You got to get a lot further with that stuff. Wouldn't have to worry about all these rocks too much.
You know, I don't know,
What's
it's
that?
been 35 years since I've been to Thailand, but I don't, you know, it's the rainy season and I don't mind it a bit.
Not at all.
It's nice and cool. Hey, I was in Hua Hin, right there at Monkey Mountain by the beach.
Yeah.
And I turn around and there's a German guy walking down the beach with a snake, probably about 10 or 12 inches long, and he's got it between his forefinger and his thumb. He's got its head. He's walking, I go, "What are you ready to get a snake?" He goes, "I don't know, I found it in my car." I said, "Well, how do you know it's not poisonous?" He said, "I never thought of that."
Last time we bumped into a snake was up at Erewhon National Park.
Yeah?
We drove around for about 4 minutes in the car park looking for the perfect car park spot. And she finally walked into the one that's her favourite, opens her car door, and a green tree snake just drops in her house. So she stood there frozen while the snake is like rearing up. And I'm like, "Oh, you just gotta wait until he wants to jump off now."
Wow.
It went through, we had to look after it. It wasn't like true poisonous, but it was definitely going to put you in hospital for a couple of days.
Yeah, nobody's got no time for that. Yeah, I wanted to ask the guy how he thought the snake got in his car. But he was trying to get rid of the snake pretty quick.
Yeah. No, but you don't hear it as much. You gotta have some balls just to pick up a snake.
I don't think he thought about it. I would have thought about it.
That's the first thing.
I'm like, "Hey man, I don't know."
Kill me.
Right. There's a lot of poisonous snakes in Thailand.
Yeah, escalator to the top.
I'm like, "What are you doing, dude?"
Bad rock.
I think that little guy's tired. He wants to rest on my finger. It's got to be some good luck, right?
Yeah.
All right.
It's the same one I've been on the channel before.
See you later. Gotta go.
No hair.
That looked like a tiger had a decent
Okay. All right.
I can't.
So that's our hike up to PALA-U Waterfall. I'm Mike.
I'm Bart. I'm Tony.
Rainy season. We're just admiring these beautifully handcrafted tables. But they look beautiful, right? They're made out of concrete. Interesting. They look nice though. Had a good time.
Absolutely.
All right, guys. Drive safe.